What up, guys? It's me, Brandon from Gswaps, and I have another little update on the CRX. So we got her 85% painted. We're just doing a recap here. 85% painted. We got her, let's see here. We bought exhaust for it. I got it running. I got interior for it. I got seats for it. I also have vents for it that I pulled out of my other car. Let's see here. What else do I need to do to the car still yet? I got to put the exhaust on it. I've got the engine running, so that's good there. And I got it painted. I need to assemble the car the rest of the way. Also, I need to paint the rear bumper and the passenger door, because I got a different passenger door because it's not dented. And then go ahead and finish putting her together. But here she is. I went ahead and put the front end on that I had laying around, and this front end came off another CRX. And mind you, the fenders and the bumper looks dirty right now because it is. Also, the fender is not perfect condition, but it is good condition from, you know, I've had it for like probably 10 years sitting in storage. I need to actually power wash the bumper and the fenders that I have. I just power washed the hood and it came out beautiful. Mind you, before it looked like this, but now it looks like this. So it looks really, really well. But I have a 1990 Honda CRX again. Also, those are the brand new blinker lights I just bought. I went ahead and put those in. I think they look really good. I was gonna go amber, but then I was like, you know what, if I was going black I would go amber, but since I have a white one, I'm gonna go with the chrome ones, and I think it's a nice complement for it. These may or may not be the wheels I use on it, but they're the wheels I'm going to use now on it. I do have a set of drags in storage that I was going to grab the other day, but I didn't. They also need tires. These don't need tires, so I could put them on the car for right now, rock them for a little bit. These are 14s, Ekeys. They're a little dirty, but I need to clean them up. But I also have some black drags that I think might complement the car a little bit better. And plus, I'm going to repaint them too and put tires on them. Maybe put like a red strip or of a pinstripe around the edge of the wheel or something like that. Something crazy cool looking. But I don't know. I'm almost done with it. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I've only owned this car since 2 weeks now. Like, it's literally like, well, Friday payday will be 2 weeks. So this has been a solid week that I've owned this car. So that being said, a solid week of owning the car. This is a pretty good turnaround. I mean, getting it running, painting the car, 85% painting the car, because I got to do the door and the fender. But I mean, it looks immaculate, and I can't ask for anything better, honestly. I need to clean the windows and take care of the overspray and stuff, and put the back bumper back on it once I paint it. But other than that, guys, I mean, this thing is great looking. But anyways, I wanted to give you a little, I guess, 3 or 4 minute video recap of the Honda CRX HF, what we've done today. This was just a little bit of work, or as soon as I got off work, and she's not finished yet. Mind you, like I said, the passenger side, I still got to change that fender out and change that door. I'm going to take those parts off and change them. I need to clean it, power wash it. Also, I need to put a windshield in it. I do have a windshield in my other car. I do have a windshield guy that can put it in for me too. But that being said, that'll be on a later date. I don't know if I want to do it right now. I'll do it later. But anyways, this is Brandon from Gswaps, and this is the CRX. We're getting there really close. When I get paid, I'm going to buy some struts for it too, so I can lower it. And maybe even another tail light, because these are getting hard to come by. Or I've seen some orange, like clear orange sticker I may put on it just for now. That way I don't have to spend like $250 for a tail light, because they're that expensive now. It's just ridiculous. But anyways, this is my 1990 Honda CRX HF that I've been restoring, and I've literally owned it a week, and I've got it looking like this. And I gotta say, I'm impressed for 1 week. Friday will be 2 weeks, because I got it last payday. So yeah, I think this turned out really well. Change that stuff out. That's pretty bad there, but I'm gonna leave that and just try to use it while I got it. I do have another one on the other car, but I don't want to swap it out just yet. So anyways, like I said, guys, this is Brandon, Gswaps. Please like and subscribe.